Yeah, I'm taking your video while you do the puzzle. You have to finish it. Sige na. I'll put the horse, see? This one. And this one. And this one. See? What is that one?
A cow.
Cow. How does the cow sound?
Moo.
Moo.
What's that?
What about the hen? Is that a hen? Or a rooster?
Rooster.
Hmm.
Coo, 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 coo. Coo, 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 coo.
Oh, do the square puzzle. Sige na. Don't worry, anak, you can do it.
What's that?
Remember you did it the last time.
What's that? Oh.
Very good.
No, that's it.
Not there. No, not here. See, push this one at the corner. Look at the sheep. See? There you go. Do the corner first so that it's easy. What about the pig over there? Look. See that? Look. Do the corner first. Very good. Oh, the horse. Where's the horse? It's not a horse. What's that one?
A sheep.
I'll put the sheep over there.
Ba, 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 sheep, ba,
What's that one? Upside down.
We're here.
Oh, is that supposed to go there?
No.
No, okay. There. Is that supposed to go there?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now what else do you have?
Horse.
Okay. Where is that supposed to go?
This one over here.
Over there. Okay. Hold the knob. There you go. Very good. Now you got just one more piece. Like that. Oh, fix it. Very good, Yuri. Good job. Good job. Oh, do you want to do another puzzle?
Yeah.
Okay, get some more puzzle.
Oh, wow.
Which one?
This one.
You want that one? What are those ones?
Oh, puzzles.
Puzzles again. What kind of puzzle is that?
A flip.
Hmm?
Flip. Flip.
Shrimp. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of the puzzle, okay? So that you can fix it, okay? There. Okay, now you do it. I'll put the puzzle together, please.
The fish. Here. Here. Oh, see. See?
Is that supposed to go there?
No.
Where? Where's the jellyfish? The corner. Look at it again. Right there.
This one.
Are you sure it's to go there? Look at it.
Look.
Does it look? Does it look the same? No, I don't think so.
That's the fish.
Yeah,
This
that's the
one.
fish. Yeah. But what about this one here? So I don't think this one goes over there. I think it's a different one. I don't think it goes there.
Yeah.
Hmm.
This one.
Yeah, I know. That's the one over there, right? Separate it there.
That's a shrimp.
Yeah, that's a shrimp. And that's the fish. And beside it is a shrimp.
This one.
Very good. Okay.
What a cabbage.
Starfish.
Here. Go here. Here. This one. Here. This one. This one. This one. This. They're good.
Very good.
Look at puzzle. Flip. That one. This one.
I think it's upside down.
This one the whale.
The whale.
Flip. This one flip. Or this. Well, good. Yay.
Yay, very good. Sinasabi niya yung sarili niya ng very good.
Make it a puzzle.
Yeah, you made the puzzle. There.
Right here.
Very good. There's one more piece missing.
What's that? What's that, Mama?
You tell me, what is it?
No, that's here. Oh, here. It's the other flower. That's what it is.
Ikot mo. Ikot mo. You're singing Bob the Builder.
Bob a Builder. Bob a Builder. Yes, she can. Yay!
Yeah.
We did. Whoa!
Very good. What else do you have? There's another two over there. And behind you, look. No, not. Finish this puzzle first. Mamaya na yan.
Oh, wow!
I know, Yuri. Yuri. Can you finish this one first, please?
And deep like that.
Good job. And the last one, the whale. What color is the whale?
Purple. And
Very.
purple.
Mm-hmm.
This one.